Hi, good morning, afternoon, evening, class. Today we are going to complete another current event assignment. Can you believe it's already the next Wednesday of the next week? Time is flying by so fast. To help you complete this assignment to the best of your ability, I'm just going to be going over some specific details as to how I want my current event assignment completed. So first of all, you would open up 401 CE articles and you would press the News ELA link, which will bring you to about 7 articles that you can choose from. Now, if you are tired of looking at articles from News ELA, good news, you can actually use any news website, CNN, Fox News, ABC News, um, let me think of another one. BBC, any of those credible news sources, you can find your own article, and all you would need to do in the assignment. So, if you were to find your own article of your choice, you would just put the article title and then the news source. If you didn't get it from News ELA, you would put CNN, Fox News, etc. One thing I want to highlight, something I realized last week when I was now, some people did an excellent job making sure that they wrote the current event in their own words, that there was no copy and pasting from the assignment. So if you're finding yourself copying and pasting from an assignment, it's telling me two things. One, maybe you need to change the lexile level in your News ELA reading. So remember, in the top right hand corner, just to show you really quick, in the top, if you open up an article, in the top right hand corner, you can actually change the lexile level. So if you are having a hard time comprehending the article, you can actually adjust the lexile level to the reading level that makes it comfortable for you to understand. One thing that I saw some people struggling with last week was actually stating the main idea of the passage. The only way that you can find the main idea of a passage is if you read the entire passage. One thing I found people doing was they would write a summary about the first 3 sentences or the first half of the article. But if you're writing a summary of half of the article, you're not going to capture the main idea. The only way that you can capture the main idea is by reading the entire article. The main idea is the idea of the entire article. So if you're only reading 3 or 4 paragraphs and then writing a paragraph, you are not going to capture the main idea. So number one, you need to make sure that you are reading the entire article in order for you to capture the main idea. Just as a hint, usually the main idea is stated right in the title because titles are usually focused on capturing the main idea for the reader so they know what the article is going to be about. That doesn't mean that you copy and paste the title and say that this is the main idea. The title is going to give you a hint as to what the main idea is going to be, and then you can further elaborate on that main idea once you read the entire passage. Once you write your first sentence of what the main idea is, then you need to state to me supporting details. So you need to tell me what exactly is occurring in your article, who exactly is it impacting. Don't just tell me everyone because you are specifically speaking of the people who they are referencing in the article. So if the article is about people making face masks, don't just tell me people are making face masks. Be specific and tell me who are the people, who's the organization, names, organizations, and bodies of people who are specifically doing this work. When I say where did it take place, where is your article actually taking place? If people are making face masks, what state are they making face masks in? Are they making it around America? And if they're making it around America, then you need to be specific, okay? When it says why something is happening, you need to think about when you're talking about the main idea, why exactly is this event occurring? And when I say how, if it's an article, let's say that's talking about, let's see what some of our articles are for today. So let's say your article is why the U.S. Census tries to count everyone. Then you would need to explain what exactly the counting of people is used for from that article. So just make sure that you're using your supporting details, making sure you have the 5 W's once you read the entire passage. If you copy and paste,